Dr. Pia Winberg is a seaweed farmer, but a very special seaweed farmer who grows very, very special seaweed.
Professor Gordon Wallace is one of those academics with a much broader vision than his own core research. It was a bit of a serendipitous meeting between Gordon Wallace and myself, and it was because we were both linked to Business Event Sydney.
Coincidentally, we met out of town, and it really was from that conversation that we realised that there could be a great opportunity here.
We got to talking, and although we were at the same university, we'd never really collided there. But at this event we met, and I asked him, so what exactly are you doing with your printing? You know, what are you focusing on?
So we're involved in developing 3D bioprinting technologies to address real medical challenges. It's obvious from our first meeting that she's totally committed to getting the most scientific and commercial value from the seaweed that she grows. We've been working with Pia in extracting extraordinary molecules from this seaweed in order to make them 3D printable to tackle a very challenging area of wound healing.
Gordon's able to see that connecting knowledge, or the colliding cauldrons of knowledge as he likes to call it, and that adds so much more to science than just individual pieces put together. Having that whole chain of knowledge is pretty much impossible if you're a biomaterials researcher or if you're a seaweed researcher, but put them together and you've actually got the whole chain there, from the sun and sea to a printed ear, for example. So now we're on a very strong research path together in developing that area.
Her commitment and enthusiasm and determination to make sure that that's a success has really made her an excellent collaborator.
As an academic, you have to focus and deliver on a paper, and it has to be very narrow and you're really tuned into that specific area. But when you get to conferences, that's the opportunity to broaden your mind, talk to other people and other networks. You then start to be able to join the dots and then suddenly unlock something bigger that you didn't anticipate.